Hi, welcome to the Vape Shop.co.uk. This video is about the CE5 Wickless Clearomizer. The normal or the basic one, as you're probably aware, is the CE4, which is the has 2 wicks in it and then is disposable. So you'll use this anywhere between 2 and 5 weeks, and then once it's dead, you chuck it away and buy another one. It usually costs around about £5. The next one up is the CE5. Don't know if that's actually getting it there. The CE5, which is wickless. It has the actual wick or the silica is contained within the middle metal tube. The benefits of the CE5 wickless is it uses a little bit less e-liquid, offers, in my opinion, a better flavour. It doesn't contaminate the flavour so much, and you certainly don't get any burnt taste with this one. These usually cost about around about £6, but they're a pretty good basic disposable atomizer, and as I say, they will last anywhere between 2 and 5 weeks. What I'm going to do is just fill it up and show you how to do that and how it works. Okay. To use the CE5 wickless, unscrew the top bit here. Now the little trick with unscrewing these is once you've unscrewed it, just gently pull the top off, like so. The more gentle you are with these, the longer they will last, because there is seals on the actual plastic mouthpiece here, and also inside in the metal rim here to prevent leakage. Now if you're yanking it all the time, some of these seals can get lost, and then you'll start getting e-liquid in your mouth and they'll leak. So the more gentle you are, the longer they'll last. I'm going to use the Vape Shop Virginia 24mg, which is what I use. And to fill it, I'm going to tip it on its side. The reason I'm going to tip it on its side is if I just pour the e-liquid in just direct like that, I'm going to try and show you this. I don't know if this camera will pick it up, but there is, if you see the little tube in the middle, the little metal tube in the middle, that's your air hole. If you get e-liquid into that and you vape it, it's going to gurgle. You're going to get a gurgling noise. You ain't going to get a brilliant hit from it. So the idea is to bypass that by trickling it down the side of the glass or the plastic here. So to do that, just simply tip it on its side, get your e-liquid bottle with your nozzle, and then again tip that up and just gently squeeze so it flows down the side of the clearomizer as opposed to getting in that middle pipe. I mean, for a more easier way is using a little filler bottle with the syringe nozzle on it. But if you haven't got one of these, then you can do it this way. Saves having to use 2 things to fill it. Okay, now that is full. There is actual measurements on the side of the glass. Again, I don't know if the camera's picking up here, but for the ease of eye, there's a little plastic bit at the top here. You just fill it up to the base, never above. Now I'm going to put the top back on, just gently push it down, and then when it reaches the bottom, screw it back on. I'm going to put this on my battery. Screw it on. And I've got mine set at 3.9 volts. Just going to tip it upside down a few times, let it soak into the interior wick that's in the metal tube inside. Fire it a few times. Okay, that sounds about right. And then I'm going to vape. Perfect. Yeah, can't be beaten really. Nice little clearomizer, nice hit, good flavour. Yeah, that is the CE5 Wickless.